Good morning, students. Let's proceed our chapter light, and today I'll teach you rules for formation of image by lenses. Previous class we have done all the basic terms, that is focus, focal length, principal axis, center of curvature, radius of curvature, all that. So students, again same thing, just like mathematics. This is one of the formula. If you will understand that, very easily you will understand how to make the ray diagram, and that will be the perfect ray diagram if you will apply these rules. And rules are also not too much, only 3 rules we will study. So let's begin. First rule is, when a ray of light parallel to principal axis after refraction it passes through focus. So students, how will you understand? So let's draw this one. How you will draw this? So first of all, try to draw the lens by compass. We have drawn lens. Convex lens. Please draw it by compass. After drawing this, students, don't forget to join the aperture, that means the two extreme point. The distance between the two extreme point is known as aperture. So you please join this two extreme point. Your first work will be this only. Join this two extreme point. See this? Then you draw the principal axis. We have drawn this principal axis. Now, same as in the mirror, whatever distance from the center will be the focus, same distance from focus to center of curvature. So this is now, center will be this point. Whatever distance you are taking from center to any point, suppose 2 centimeter, this is focus. Then from focus to center of curvature, it will be same distance. But students, remember, it will not be written as F and C. Now we are studying lens. So what we will write? Either we will write F1, because both side it have focus, F1, F2, and this side also it is F1, here F1, so I am writing F1 dash, and this side it is F2 dash. So like this you have to, first of all you have to draw it. Then let's see the rule. When a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, take any ray of light parallel to principal axis. See this? Parallel to principal axis. After refraction it passes through focus. So after refraction it passes through focus. This is your focus. So student, don't forget to give the arrow mark. One more thing, what the student basically they are doing wrong. This refraction should be from this aperture line, midline, not from anywhere. Just I am showing you. If you are drawing this lens and drawn the aperture, principal axis, after refraction, it will not refract from the boundary of the lens. Don't refract it from this point, you will get 0 marks. This is wrong. Again, if you are doing same thing like this, see this. Again, if you are doing same thing and your ray is parallel to, and it will parallel to principal axis and it will refract from second boundary, that will also be wrong. So, student, please be careful. Always draw a midline that is joining the two midpoint, and then you refract the incident ray from that midpoint only, then it will be correct and you will get the marks. So this is your first rule. I hope you have understood, but once again I am repeating what it has given. When a ray of light parallel to principal axis, this is the ray of light parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through focus. See, after refraction it passes through focus. So this is your first rule. Let's see what is the second rule. Just opposite to this one. Second rule states that when a ray of light passes or is incident to focus, after refraction, it is parallel to principal axis. Students, how again you will draw this? Draw the lens. Same thing. We have drawn the lens. Join the two extreme point. This is your two extreme point. Draw the principal axis. We have drawn principal axis. Then you will see again from this is the center point, which is known as optical center, O. So optical center is the midpoint of the lens. From O, take any distance, 2 cm, 3 cm, 1.5 cm. Suppose I have taken 2 cm, it is here. So one of the focus here. And from focus to center of curvature, so F1, F2. Similarly, opposite side, F1 dash, F2 dash. Finished? Now let's see what the rule is saying. When a ray of light is incident to focus, that means a ray of light is incident passing through focus. Just see, I have shown you just now. Passes through focus. After refraction, it is parallel to the principal axis. So after refraction, it will be parallel to the principal axis. Here. Hope this is clear to you. And then come for third rule, which is the easiest one you always remember. Third rule states that when a ray of light is incident to optical center, after refraction, it does not changes its path, does not changes its path. So, see this, I have drawn the lens. Again, you join the aperture. Without joining aperture, don't proceed because it's not confirmed that your ray diagram will be correct. So, I have joined the aperture, drawn the principal axis, Now, again same thing, from optical center, which is the center point of the lens, optical center to focus, what distance you are taking, f1, same from focus to center of curvature, from back side also same distance you take it, f1 dash and f2 dash. Rules are saying that the ray is incident to optical center. That means any ray which passes through optical center after refraction, it does not changes its path. It is the easiest one. After refraction, it does not changes its path. So students, these are the 3 rules which you will practice, then very easily we will able to do ray diagram. So next class.